Hello guys, welcome back. So today I share with you how you can make your homemade roasted peanuts or groundnuts, whichever one you wish to call it. So in my pan I have 500 grams of groundnuts and some salt. Now the salt is optional. If you want to add, it's up to you. So I'm going to toast this on fire for 10 to 15 minutes. So keep watching to see how this is going to turn out. And see, the peanut is really roasting very well. So I'm going to roast this further before I take down the pan from the fire. Roasted peanuts requires continuous stirring, so make sure you're continuously stirring this. If not, one side will be burnt and the other side will be raw, and you wouldn't like that for your peanuts. So make sure you're continuously stirring it. So after 15 minutes, my peanut was ready. So I took it down from fire, poured it over my tray, and spread it out with my spatula. So after some time, I left it on my counter table to cool down. So after some time, I came back to remove the chaff. So you have to allow this to cool down before removing the chaff. If not, it's going to be breaking while you are trying to remove the chaff. Okay, this step is very tedious. It can be very tedious actually. So if you know any other method of removing the chaff faster and easier, let me know in the comment section, because this is the step that that requires a lot of work actually. So I was trying to remove the chaff, and after that I'm going to blow the chaff away and my peanuts will be ready. So guys, my peanut is all cleaned up now, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you are going to make this at home. If you do, please tag me. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.